What's up? What's up? It's going down, bro. Why they gonna boy say they gonna be like, oh, welcome back, Black Mud. Say, bro, I'm telling you, you gonna be back shining like grind, and they'll be say, my boy
No,
back.
no.
It's going down. Black Mud is back. Everybody pop out.
And I still been getting subscribers and shit. I'm almost at 4,000, but I ain't been doing nothing in like
That's
6, 7 months.
you got the ammo. You got the ammunition already. The videos. You know what I'm talking about? And then
Got a thousand.
and as you see, as somebody posts your shit, bang, it could be some old. If as long as I go subscribe, I go share that bit, bam. They gonna
Yeah,
it's going down, man. Like I tell people, man, if you didn't already got like 3 subscribers, all your videos start over as new. Cause this shit is worldwide. They might just missed it that time. Drop that shit again and stop playing, man. This shit is
right.
easy. I was trying to tell y'all,
Yeah.
man, this shit is easy, y'all.
From Kansas City, he put me on. Go check him out.
Okay.
L Lap. I can't pronounce it.
Yeah, hey, don't worry, the last day up, so shit, we're gonna go back to that. It is,
See
yeah,
y'all
I'm about to check
subscribe
that out
back. If I
too.
subscribe to your channel, please subscribe back.
Already, you already know how we do. You know, it's 50-50 in this game. You did, you get what you dish out, so pop out, rock out, y'all. Let's go.
That's right. That's right. I'm trying to like the video, but I guess I gotta back out to like it. I don't know how to do that shit.
It's all good, shit. It's all good. We the best channel, y'all. I told y'all, cause I got the best bros, the best moderators. We the best, y'all. So, hey, y'all already know where we at. You hear me? So, say, y'all, put the notification gang on. I'm telling you, 'cause when I pop out, y'all already know where the thing gonna be at. Because it's
You gotta
showtime. You hear me?
you gotta
Bang,
work.
we ain't playing no game.
You gotta work this morning.
Yeah, yeah. But it's
What
all
time you
good.
gotta be? What time you gotta be there?
It depends on what time, but shit, I know I'm about to be there noon to, but it's to the afternoon, so it ain't no all
Oh,
day, so I'm good. I'm good. I'm about to
mhm.
get the motivation in and bang, knock it out. It ain't
Mhm.
nothing. It's quick. It's a quick brunch. Don't worry. Quick brunchy
Got,
brunch.
uh,
You know what I'm
I just,
talking about.
I just got this little tripod.
I gotta give me another one too, bro.
But I'm about
Where you get that off of? Where you get that off?
Amazon.
Damn, I was just
Amazon.
gonna ask you. How much was it?
Like $22 or something. It's
For
just
real?
basic, man. It's basic.
That's the one
Little
I
basic.
need, bro. Do the neck part go all the way down?
Yep. Yep.
Man, the one I got right here, bro, that bitch don't really turn up. Yeah, bro. See, I need one that gonna turn all the way down when I'm cooking and stuff like
It,
that.
it do all that. You just gotta unloosen it with this little
So,
knob right here.
what about the bottom stand? Is it steady?
Yeah, it's steady. It's
The lid,
9 feet. 9 feet.
dang,
9 feet tall.
okay.
That's how high it get. But yeah, it's sturdy.
Well, you
I
have
ain't
to
even
show me
used it. I
yeah,
just
you
I
have to
just tested it.
show me the link too. Oh yeah, them
Yeah,
legs do look sturdy too, and it lets us a nice size too.
yeah. Just go to Amazon.
And what's the name of that one?
Just type in tripods. You will see it. This one is called
Tripod. And you say about 20?
called UB size. UB size, just like it sound. Capital U
Okay.
BEESIZE. UB size. See
Yeah,
it?
yeah, but I've been trying to get me that. I done fucked them other. Oh, okay.
It's tall too. It's see
Oh
there?
shit. Oh
And
yeah,
all
that
this
was.
move right here. You see there?
Oh yeah. Oh, that one go all the way down. Oh hell, man.
Yeah. I'm about to crank it back up. I'm about to one thing I want to tell you was I'm about to start interviewing people, man. You see, I got a couple interviews on my channel already, right? I'm
Yeah,
about to interview this brother that's he just came home from the joint. He did
yeah.
23 years, and he from Detroit, and he used to be in I don't know if you hip to them all them little gangs and crews in
Gangs
Detroit.
and yeah. Okay.
One of them
Tell me
was
about
called
it.
one of them was called Best Friends. I don't know if you ever seen the documentary on the Best Friends, but it was like a little clique in Detroit from back in the day. You know, dope
Okay.
boys, and he was part of that little clique. And I remember seeing a documentary on this other cat, this dude named Al Prophet. He from Detroit. He do a lot of documentaries on all the old school gangs and shit from Detroit. And one of the documentaries he did was on Best Friends. It was like a little crew, like YBI. It's a whole bunch of little drug